Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan November 2, 2022, 1 star Sudoku. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining 193. 8th grade, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining 3, 3 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 3, 8. Column G, we have 7 and 3, so 7 and 3 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already got 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining 8, 8 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4. Column B, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 8. 6th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 6. 6th row, 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 9. So now, 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 8, 9, 7. 9th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 1st grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5 and 8. 8. 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. 7th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 4. Column H, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. One is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.